Anniston, Alabama, forging a legacy of industry and community. Nestled amidst the rolling hills of Alabama, Anniston beckons with a story that unfolds like a tapestry of industry, resilience, and community. Join us as we delve into the annals of time to unveil the narrative of Anniston, where the echoes of its industrial past harmonize with the spirit of its vibrant community. Anniston's tale begins in the late 19th century when Daniel Tyler, a railroad executive, envisioned a strategic location for an industrial town. The town was strategically positioned along the rail lines, setting the stage for Anniston's industrial journey. The town gained military significance during World War I, becoming home to Fort McClellan. The fort played a pivotal role in training troops and contributed to Anniston's identity. Anniston's economic foundation solidified with the establishment of iron production facilities. The city became a hub for the manufacturing of iron and steel, contributing to the industrial landscape of the region. The 20th century brought both prosperity and challenges to Anniston. Economic downturns and the closure of industrial facilities tested the resilience of the community. However, Anniston weathered these storms, showcasing a determination to adapt and thrive. Anniston played a role in the civil rights movement, with pivotal events occurring during the Freedom Rides of 1961. The city faced challenges and transformations during this era, leaving an indelible mark on its history. In recent decades, Anniston has experienced a renaissance with a renewed focus on community development and revitalization. The preservation of historic districts, cultural initiatives, and the nurturing of local businesses have revitalized Anniston's charm. Anniston's cultural heritage is showcased in its museums, reflecting the city's industrial and military history. The Burman Museum of World History and the Anniston Museum of Natural History stand as testaments to the city's commitment to preserving its legacy. Today, Anniston stands as a city that embraces its industrial past while forging a path toward a vibrant future. The blend of historic architecture, cultural initiatives, and a resilient community spirit makes Anniston a unique destination in the heart of Alabama. Anniston, Alabama, weaves a narrative that mirrors the endurance of industry, the strength of community, and the capacity for rebirth. Its story is a testament to the indomitable spirit that defines this southern city. A spirit that forges ahead, shaping a legacy of resilience and community pride.